Hello and good morning. We're out and about again. This is, we'll get it right way around like that. Yeah. Sunday starts off with a bang. Look, we found a gun, big gun. We're at the castle, Shrewsbury Castle, and believe it or not, it's Sunday and it's shut. A couple of guns outside. No idea what they are, other than big bang, big bang. Yeah. Yeah, we was hoping to have a look around the castle today, but doesn't look like it's going to happen. But anyway, if you can see,
castle is shut.
Castle is shut. So there you are. One day. The building in front of us, this lovely looking building here, is something to do with the museum, regimental museum, and
it looks shut too.
It's shut too. I think pretty much everything shuts on a Sunday in Shrewsbury. There aren't even any buses into town, or into Lincoln, into Shrewsbury. There's buses into Lincoln, but not into Shrewsbury.
Yeah.
It's the Soldiers of Shropshire Museum, Shrewsbury Castle.
But that is beautiful.
It is. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Very well done. It must have taken a while to do all that lot. Yeah. There you go. And then across the... Yeah, Charles Darwin over there, and the Shrewsbury Library. We walked in from the campsite this morning to Shrewsbury, and it took us about 50 minutes.
And we went past Charles Darwin's house on the way.
Yeah, one of them. I've actually worked at his other one, which was the one down towards Box Hill somewhere.
That was when he was a bit older, wasn't it?
I was. No, I was a lot younger. He was, yeah.
He went to school here.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. He was dead by the time I went there.
Really?
Yeah. That's a little pretty archway into something.
It's residential.
Yeah. Quite good. Anyway, well, Wesley House. The Reverend John Wesley, founder of the Methodism, preached in this house on his first visit to Shrewsbury, March 16th, 1761.
Oh. Always interested in the Wesleys, being a Methodist.
Yes. Oh look, another hairdresser's. What's the cat? William Centre. Ah, I know where we are now. Tiger.
And here's the post box.
Yes. Which we're going to come to, because this is one we wanted to check out, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do you want me to check out who it is first before
Yes.
we do the filming?
Yeah.
Because I think it's...
There we go. In the wall, Victoria. Post box.
Yeah.
We find Shrewsbury Cathedral, which is behind me. It's not quite as imposing as Lincoln Cathedral, but this is Shrewsbury Cathedral.
Cathedral Church. Because that is unusual, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, Victorian.
Yeah.
Put your post in it. I've not seen one like that before.
No, I haven't. Can you have a
The Lion, dating from before 1618, the premier coaching in of the London Holyhead Group, famous history through Charles Dickens, Paganini, William the fourth.
William the Fourth.
Fourth of Jenny, Lynn.
Dancing.
Yeah, Madam, the sword, Disraeli. Particular features of note include Adam,
William Tapestry
Lounge, Rotary Club of Shrewsbury. Oh, there you go. Another interesting fact. When I was here yesterday, there was a market down there.
Oh, it's bear steps. Look, bear steps.
Big bear steps. Where's bear steps, Susie?
Says it. Something got a market, a full market.
Yeah, something like that. It will be for a market, I think. Yeah. Market hall. It's just a market hall.
Should say
Built on the town of Shrewsbury in 1595. Tuesday. Yeah, and just I say just here yesterday was there was a big market outside.
There was.
Yeah.
It looks different now, doesn't it?
It does, a lot different. So where's these bear steps then?
I don't know. I can go in this way, but I don't know where.
The steps you can read one order in there.
Bridge. That was on the Welsh Bridge.
Going up here because it says there are bears, isn't it? Hey? The labyrinth. Harry Potter.
Yeah, it is a bit like
It is a bit, isn't it?
Diagon Alley.
Yeah. There we are.
Road Lane.
Ooh,
That's Road Lane.
little bear steps.
Bear steps.
Are they them?
Oh, I see. Bear steps. Bear Steps Gallery. Must be Bear Steps. Yeah, the Bear Steps, it says above.
Oh. Do you know where we are? I know where we are now. We walked down the bear steps earlier. Yeah. Good.
Are we going in the right direction?
No idea.
Okay. You want the map or have you got the map?
I have a map. Sun's come out again. Yippee! Did get rain on a bit ago. We'll go this way.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Kind of heading back towards the high street again.
Okay.
Well, this was the last place on our visitors list, which is Rowley's House and Mansion. Rowley at Waterford near Bridgenorth. Was draper and brewer in the timber frame building in the reign of Elizabeth I, 1618, and prosperously built an attached mansion, first brick house in the town. So there's his old bit, and this is the new bit. Yeah. Rowley's House and Mansion. We must have had a few, Bob. So Rowley's House in the background. That's us finished for today and the weekend. So we're off home tomorrow morning. So we'll see you out and about on our next trip.
Right, bye-bye.
But we're not in a motorhome.
No.
Not in a motorhome. So we'll see you out and about next time. Bye.